before the day begins to pull at your attention, before the messages, responsibilities, and expectations begin to fill your mind. Pause here for a moment. Right here, in this quiet beginning of your walk, there is a small space that still belongs only to you. A space where nothing is required of you yet. Take a slow breath in through your nose, filling your lungs gently, and release it through your mouth. Let the exhale be long and unhurried, as if you are setting something down that you no longer need to carry. Again, inhale deeply. And exhale softly. Feel the air touching your face. Notice the subtle temperature around you. Perhaps there is cool morning air brushing your skin, or the warmth of early sunlight beginning to stretch across the earth. Allow your body to begin moving now, naturally, at an easy walking pace. Feel your first step meet the ground, then another. Notice the simple rhythm of walking, the quiet intelligence of your body moving forward without needing to think about it. Your legs know how to move. Your balance adjusts effortlessly. Your breath begins to settle into a gentle rhythm. Step and another step. Feel the ground beneath your feet, solid, steady, beneath the path you walk on, beneath layers of soil, stone, and roots. The earth rests in deep, ancient calm. Mountains have risen and softened over thousands of years. Rivers have carved valleys through patience alone. The earth understands movement. The earth understands becoming. And right now, with every step you take, you are participating in that same quiet evolution. Let your shoulders soften as you walk. Allow your arms to swing naturally by your sides. Feel your breath moving in and out like a calm tide. Inhale for a few steps and exhale for a few steps. With every step forward, imagine that something from yesterday gently falls away behind you. Old worries, expectations, doubts that once felt heavy. They do not need to follow you today. They dissolve quietly behind you like footprints, slowly fading in sand. Feel the lightness beginning to appear in your chest. Notice the sounds around you now. Perhaps birds calling softly in the distance. Leaves shifting in a gentle breeze. The quiet hum of the world waking up. You are walking inside a living system that is constantly renewing itself. Trees release old leaves and grow new ones. Rivers flow forward without hesitation. The sun rises each day without questioning its purpose. And today, you too are stepping into renewal. Bring your awareness gently into your body as you walk. Feel the subtle strength in your legs. Feel the quiet rhythm of your heartbeat in your chest. Feel the way your spine naturally lengthens as you continue moving forward. Your body is not fragile. Your body is capable. Your body is intelligent. It has carried you through every chapter of your life so far. Take another slow breath in. And as you exhale, feel your steps becoming slightly more grounded, slightly more intentional. Because this walk is not just exercise. This walk is a quiet declaration. Every step you take forward is a message to your mind and body that you are willing to move towards something new. Now, imagine that a warm golden light begins to appear in the center of your chest. At first it is small, like the first glow of sunrise just beneath the horizon. With every breath, it grows brighter, warmer, steadier. This light represents your inner life force, the quiet intelligence inside you that continues to grow, adapt, and expand no matter what has happened in the past. With every step you take, allow that golden light to spread through your body. It flows across your chest and into your shoulders, down your arms into your hands. It moves through your torso, your belly, your hips. It travels down through your legs, into your knees, into your calves, into your feet, until every step you take feels as though it is being guided by this quiet, radiant energy. You are no longer walking with heaviness. You are walking with awareness. You are walking with intention. Now, as you continue moving forward, imagine the path ahead, stretching gently into the distance. Somewhere further along this path, there is another version of you, a future version of yourself. This is the version of you who has grown through the challenges you are currently navigating. The version of you who has learned to trust their voice. The version of you who no longer lives under the weight of constant self-doubt. This version of you moves through life with calm clarity. They are not rushing. They are not comparing themselves to others. They are simply living in alignment with who they truly are. As you continue walking, imagine this future self standing somewhere further ahead on the path. At first they may appear distant, but with every step you take, the distance slowly closes. Step by step, you move closer to the person you are becoming. Feel how your posture, naturally shifts as you imagine this. Your chest opens slightly, your shoulders settle, your breath becomes deeper, because the truth is your future self is not separate from you. They are simply the version of you who kept walking. Take another step forward, and another. Now imagine that your future self begins walking toward you as well. The two of you moving gently toward each other along the same path. Notice how they walk. Their movements are calm. Their breathing is steady. There is quiet confidence in their posture. Not arrogance, not force, just grounded certainty. They trust themselves. They trust the direction of their life. They trust their ability to adapt and grow. And as you continue walking closer, you begin to feel something inside you shift. A quiet recognition, because this person is you. The you who chose growth instead of fear. The you who stopped shrinking your dreams. The you who learned to stand comfortably in your own voice. The distance between you grows smaller. 10 steps, 5 steps, just a few more. And now, you are standing directly in front of your future self. Take a moment here as you continue walking slowly and truly see them. Notice the calm in their eyes, the steadiness in their breath, the ease in their posture. They are not perfect, but they are aligned. They have learned to trust life and themselves within it. Now, as you take one more step forward, your future self gently merges into your body. Their calm becomes your calm. Their confidence becomes your confidence. Their clarity becomes your clarity. Feel the golden light inside your chest expand instantly. It flows through your entire body like warm sunlight, through your spine, through your muscles, through every cell. Your nervous system begins to register this new identity. Your breathing deepens. Your posture shifts slightly taller. Your steps become steadier. You are no longer walking toward your future. You are walking as it. Continue moving forward with this new awareness. Feel your feet touching the earth with quiet confidence. With every step, allow these truths to move gently through your mind. I walk forward with clarity. I trust the path unfolding in front of me. I am capable of growth and meaningful change. I move through life with calm confidence. I release old fears that once held me back. I welcome new opportunities with courage. I trust my inner wisdom. I trust my timing. I walk with purpose. I walk with strength. I walk as the person I am becoming. Let each affirmation settle into your body with the rhythm of your steps. Your mind begins to absorb them. Your nervous system begins to believe them. Your body begins to embody them. Now imagine the rest of your day unfolding ahead of you. See yourself moving through your morning with steady presence, handling conversations with clarity, responding to challenges with calm thinking, noticing opportunities where you once felt uncertainty. You move through the world slightly differently now, not dramatically, but noticeably. Your energy is more grounded. Your attention is more focused. Your decisions come from confidence rather than fear. And as you continue walking, small synchronicities begin appearing in your day. A helpful conversation, a new idea, a door opening where you once saw a wall. These moments begin appearing because you are showing up differently. You are walking through life with a different energy. Take a slow breath in. Feel gratitude gently rising in your chest. Gratitude for your body that carries you. Gratitude for the path ahead. Gratitude for the strength that already exists within you. Exhale slowly. Let your attention return fully to the present moment. Notice the air on your skin, the sounds around you, the rhythm of your footsteps meeting the ground. You are here, moving forward, growing, becoming. And before this meditation gently closes, place a quiet intention inside your heart. Just one. One direction you want your life to move toward. Let that intention settle inside you like a small seed. And with every step you take today, you are watering it, growing it, becoming it. Take one final deep breath in. And exhale slowly. Continue walking with the quiet understanding that something inside you has shifted. You are no longer waiting for the future to arrive. You are walking into it, step by step,